Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana is not really adhering here to the scenario where one more high could form. It is still technically possible, but now too deep for a wave 4. Okay, so this structure here to the upside where we could be working on wave C of B, it's not invalidated, but has just become way less likely due to the break below the key pivot at $139.59. The white scenario, it's still valid, but I think if it plays out, then it might rather be morphing into a larger wave 3. So what is possible is that this third is just extending and we're doing something like that. Now I'm not going to change it yet, but it would be possible to say, okay, maybe this is only the A wave of wave 3. We're doing the B wave pullback of wave 3. And we can then watch for a C wave rally in wave 3. In that case, a deeper pullback is possible. But that's why I always say, the invalidation point for such a structure in a diagonal is the low of wave 2 at $127. But the thesis here, the white wave count as shown here, will become already far less likely below $139.59. And well, we've broken that and we're even sustaining below that. So that means, in other words, I would pay attention to the blue count more. Blue scenario allows for a more direct move down. Again, probably not in a straight line. I'm waiting for more clarity, and we can get more clarity through price action, which means the next, the structure of the next rally should tell us more. What I've done, I will take out this support area now. I will remove it. We don't need it anymore. What I will do now is I'm going to show you how in the blue scenario, we discussed it yesterday already, in the blue count, the market could move down into the, let's say, $90 to $100 region next. And from there, the market could attempt another rally then. Essentially, what I will do along the way, I will give you the resistance areas and parameters, at every step anyway. But you can see here that the wave 2, okay, could be an it would be expected to be an ABC structure. Let me just pick the correct, it would be expected to be an ABC structure, and the resistance, standard resistance for a wave 2 is between $148.28 and $155.81. So if the price stays below $155.81, the focus is on the downside, and that's because we broke micro support. So my thought process is like, because the price broke micro support, it now needs to prove to me that something more bullish is playing out. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not a bullish structure anyway that I've been tracking. I've been tracking a B wave rally, okay? So a B wave rally isn't bullish, it's corrective as such. So it's pretty much not an impulsive structure to the upside. If we're tracking a B wave, we know it will change a lot. We know it's unreliable. We know it should still go down anyway. So we wanted it to go to the key pivot though, 179.72. It hasn't done that yet, which is why I don't want to take it completely off the chart. But it definitely means that it certainly increased probabilities for this test of the $90 to $100 region a little early. Okay, it's sort of, as per the blue count. Now that means the resistance area is now sort of my default. Okay, so I'm watching that. As long as the price stays below it, I'm watching for lower. That means the next structure, if it's corrective, shouldn't break above it, because any wave 2, I'm talking about blue wave 2, if it breaks above resistance, it would suggest something more bullish might be going on. But this is not necessarily expected, okay, until I actually see a break above resistance, because only then we would get an indication that the bulls are taking back control. Okay, essentially, if I see any 5-wave move up now as well, it would be an indication that bulls might be taking back control, but it would require a break above resistance as well. So that means near term here, trend is down. I'm watching for a bounce though, and that could be an ABC structure here in blue wave 2. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.